Hi, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an Alltrue, formerly known as Causebox, unboxing. This is a new type of video for me, so we're going to try to work out the kinks. If you're interested in seeing what comes in an Alltrue box, settle in. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Holly and I create beauty, fashion, and self-care videos right here on YouTube. If that's your jam, consider subscribing. I'd love to have you in the family, but right now we're just going to jump into this unboxing. I'm going to try to make this as unchaotic as possible. This box literally came 30 minutes ago. I took the tape off and I was like, oh no, I want to do an unboxing. So this is the Alltrue box. Some disclaimers. I'm not on their PR list. This isn't sponsored or anything, but I did use referral credits to purchase my subscription. So I didn't technically pay for it. I'm not part of the referral program anymore, so if you are interested in subscribing, I won't get anything from it. So disclaimers there for the legal things. Okay, so I want to show you the inside of the box. I literally have not opened anything. I didn't even peek. As a full year subscriber, you do get to customize everything in your box. However, I didn't customize anything in here. This is just what they would send you if you didn't have customization. So this is going to be as much of a surprise to me as it is to you. And I'm sorry if I'm looking in the viewfinder. I'm using my fancy camera today, and it's just it's just different. Anyway, so when you get an Alltrue box, you get this little magazine. It is really interesting. If you don't know, Alltrue is one of those do-good companies. They work with nonprofits and B corporations, and every product is tied to a cause. So there's just information about different things you could have received, and then there's information about the different organizations that they've partnered with. Honestly, I don't usually read this. Okay. This is just a little card. What is this? Win a free membership for you and a friend. So I guess a giveaway. I do really enjoy the boxes. So now we're going to open this up. You're going to hear the tissue paper rattling. Oh, okay. This is interesting. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, okay. Anyway, so they do like to partner with different artists who will design a little postcard. I wish I had a better way to keep these. Obviously I don't send postcards. Who mails things anymore? Some of them are pretty, some of them aren't so much, but I actually like this one. I don't know what I'm going to do with this though. This happens every time I get one of these boxes every quarter. I'm what do I do with this? So I don't know. It's just going to go in a pile. Okay. So I'm just going to kind of dig in, and I can already tell I'm not too crazy about the things in here, but the first thing is this hat. It is a beanie style hat. I'm going to take it out of the packaging. You can find the retail value of these products in the little magazine that they provide. Honestly, that doesn't really mean anything to me. Because you could say this was $200, but obviously this hat's not $200. I don't wear hats. I have a gigantic face, right? And so if I wear a hat, I look stupid. Let's try it on. See, this is not a look. I look like that stoner guy from that movie where he wears a beanie. I can't remember the name of it. But yes, beanie. Now this is what caught my eye when I opened the box. I have no idea what this is. Ooh, it's tea. Ooh, look at this. Would make a really nice gift. Let's try not to blind you with it. I'm gonna try to go through the thing here and see what this is. So this is an India variety tea tin set. It has a $40 value. It is a sustainable vegan charitable company. It is run by it's a BIPOC owned and run, which is nice. That's one thing I really like about Alltrue is I really like supporting companies that maybe I haven't heard of. Maybe they're small, that are like values based. That's important to me. This I'm very excited about. I love tea. I want to see if I can find the retail price for that beanie. When I said $200, that was just like, you know how companies are, like put a price on anything. Okay, so the beanie is a $48 value, and it is a woman owned and run corporation, and a portion of the profits from the beanie were donated to Direct Relief, which is like a medical organization. Okay, next thing. Yeah, oh, okay, this box is better than I thought. This is Eucalyptus shower steamers. I love shower steamers. I used to be really big into baths, but my bathtub is really narrow and really short, and it's just kind of a pain in the butt to do a bath because you just can't, it's just not as cozy, I guess. So I really like to make the shower a really nice experience, and these kind of tablets are so nice. They're one of those things that maybe you don't necessarily think to purchase for yourself, but are nice to have on hand. So I will definitely use these. Let me see how much they say those cost. I know generally they're not very expensive, like if you were to buy them at like your local whatever. So the Eucalyptus shower steamers are a $22 value for 4. That's a little bit on the higher side, but it is a Latina owned and run. They use sustainable packaging, they're vegan and cruelty free, and they use plant-based ingredients, which is, you know, that's why the price is a little bit higher. Okay. Ooh, what is this? It's a tube. Melting Mud Cleansing Mask from Mudmasky. Wow. It's really creative with the names. Mild cleansing, pore cleansing, rebalancing, energizing, rehydrating for sensitive skin. Oh, it's a... Wait a minute. Replaces your morning cleanser, but it says it's a cleansing mask. That's interesting. I'll have to look more into the ingredients of this. I don't have the time to like read this teeny tiny things. It says it is a $59 value. Ingredients are transported by electric vehicles, vegan and cruelty free, sourced from sustainably managed forests. That's interesting. I'm gonna say I'm probably not gonna use this. It's not really just the kind of product that I'm interested in. Okay, then we have this set, a foot cream and a hand cream from Natura Ecos. This is the set right here. I really like the packaging. Let's see. So for the hand and foot cream, it is a $36 value. It is cruelty-free and vegan, formulated with fair trade ingredients. It is sustainable, recycled materials. Natura's work benefits and promotes sustainable development for families who help conserve the tropical forest in the world. So $36 value. I don't like hand creams, but I definitely use foot creams. I'll probably end up putting the hand cream on my feet, to be honest. These kinds of products are things you get in like subscription boxes all the time, so you're kind of like up to your eyeballs in hand and foot creams. So I'll have to see what they smell like. I guess I could do that on here to decide whether I'm going to use it. I also don't like opening or squeezing out everything, because like if I want to give it as a gift, like, or give it to someone like my mom or a friend or my sister-in-law, like they don't want something that's been opened. But oh my gosh, look at this packaging. It's so pretty. And I don't like orange as a color. I mean, I don't generally like color, if we're going to be honest, but the fragrance is not very strong. I'm not really into fragrance, so I don't know like notes or anything like that. But what I can say is that it's not offensive. Okay, let's see. Let's keep digging into here. Okay, so this last thing is, what is this? A super grip non-scuff suede foldable yoga mat. This color is not terrible. So this foldable yoga mat retails for $85. This is one of those examples of like an inflated price. Like, you shouldn't be paying $85 for this, in my opinion. It is sustainable and it is a small business. And they give a portion of their profits to shelters, charities, and other funded schools. That's kind of generic. Like pick a cause kind of thing. Anyway, so I don't know that I will use this. This is one of those things that I'm probably going to try to like rehome. So let's talk about the box overall. Honestly, I was surprised. Obviously, love the tea. Honestly, really enjoy this. This is like, I won't use this. So that goes in the pile. And then this is in the pile. And I'm going to go ahead and say like this cream set is going to go in the good pile. So I would say it's like half and half. Like, as far as like things I like. I did get an email saying Alltrue is raising their prices to like, I think like $60 or something a box. I will go ahead and tell you, I did not get $60 worth of things. Like this, maybe 10, 20, 30. This might be like $30 worth of stuff. Obviously with subscription boxes, sometimes you get really great months, sometimes you don't. If I would have been able to pick the things in the box, maybe I would have got something better. Subscription boxes in their nature are kind of fickle. Like once you know like how subscription boxes work, it's no surprise of the type of products that you get and why you get a lot of repeats. It's because the companies have to choose to be included in the box. And the way that the subscription box makes money is by getting these products for like literally pennies from the companies. So that means it's a product that either like the company is wanting to get rid of, maybe they're discontinuing it, they're going to reformulate it. It's a product that's not selling well. If it's a smaller product or a sample, that usually means it's a product that they're trying to push consumers to purchase. So that's why you see what you see in subscription boxes. Obviously there's occasions in which that's not the story. Like sometimes you'll get like a really cool new thing. But the timeline in which subscription boxes are built, a lot of times by the time you get something, it's like not cool anymore because it's like been a whole year. Anyway, just hopefully this kind of gives you an insight into the types of products you get through Alltrue. I do have a blog post where I compared like a year's worth of Alltrue boxes to FabFitFun. That way you can kind of see what you think about it. Full disclosure, I have canceled both my FabFitFun and my Alltrue box just because I am getting too much stuff. Like I was getting too many things and I couldn't use it fast enough. And it was just like, I don't want to be wasting resources. I don't want to be wasting money. It just didn't make sense. And I only have so many people that I can give things to. I don't have a lot of family in the area. So it just didn't make sense for me to continue to get them. And I'm not even, I'll be honest, I'm not even willing to re-sign up to do reviews. This was just like a last box that I got and I decided I would do like an impromptu unboxing. So hopefully you found this video at least a little bit helpful. If you did, please leave like a comment or a thumbs up. It would really help me with my channel. And until next time, bye.